What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I thank you guys so very much for returning. Now, I'm super duper excited today to be doing this review for y'all from Westkiss Hair Company, because I ordered this unit back in the beginning of August and I've been super busy. So yeah, I'm just getting around to doing it. But anyway, as y'all should know by now, I hate doing voiceovers, so this video won't have any of that. I'm just briefly going to let y'all know a little bit about what I'm going to be doing here. So obviously I'm just going to be customizing this unit as well as installing it and beating its face as usual. But all of the information for this wig from Westkiss Hair Company will be linked down in the description box below. Yeah, and I'll be sure to leave all of that info for y'all. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section, as well as liking, commenting, and subscribing, and definitely hitting that notification bell if you have not already. Once again, I thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, this look is complete finally. Yeah, and I just wanted to do something very simple. As you see, it's nothing dramatic over the top compared to the looks that I've been giving you lately. I wanted to do something very simple, like a sexy, playful, everyday makeup beat, you know. But anyway, yeah, so you guys, this wig turned out perfect for me. Like, as you can see, the hairline looks very natural. I didn't do the most. Normally I will cut my baby hairs a lot shorter than what I did, but I decided to leave it. Well, I did cut it a little bit, but I didn't cut it too much because I wanted to leave some length on it to where as though I look like a real Indian, y'all. A real bona fide Indian. But anyway, yeah, so I did use the BB foam wrap or whatever, and just laid it on my baby hair just a little bit with a scarf, tied it down. And yeah, because you know, the got to be and all that is gonna leave it hard. No, I wanted it to look real soft and realistic. So yes, you guys, this was the final look. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. And yeah, one more thing I want to talk about as far as this unit, y'all. This hair is so freaking soft. Like, this is by far, I think, my favorite wig. I know y'all like, you say that about every wig. But nah, this really is like my favorite. I think, really. Yeah. And then it's only 180 density. And it's 20 inches. But I can honestly say it's not too full and it's not too thick. Y'all, I was really able to, and y'all see I did like a loose curl, like loose wave. I didn't want like, you know, tight curls in it. Nah, I wanted it to look, like I said, you know, real natural, playful. So I used my 2-inch barrel. But yeah, it ain't take me long at all to curl my hair. Like the density, like I said, is 180, but it doesn't feel too thick and it's definitely not too thin. To me, it's just right. Obviously it's fresh out the box, so it's not going to hold the curl that good, but I didn't put any freeze spray, nothing on it, because I didn't want it to, you know, be crunchy. I wanted it to be as soft as possible. I wanted it to fall like this so it could look real playful, like I said, real natural. And then I did use the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat flat iron protection. It has a little shine to it, but it ain't shiny, you know. But anyway, yes, so that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop another video. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one.